ASA's Crewpack is the perfect carry-on bag as well as a casual backpack made with a ballistic weather-resistant material. It has stowable backpack straps, a luggage pass-through, and a padded side handle to carry it like a briefcase. Let's pack these items into the Crewpack. Starting off with a glasses pouch on top. On the side there's a hidden passport pouch and a stretchy beverage holder. The front pocket can hold your jacket. On the opposite side there's a pouch for your aviation headset with some spare battery slots. The Crewpack opens like a suitcase and holds all your personal items. You can fit your clothes and shoes and toiletries. And an elastic strap holds them all together. There are also mesh zippered pockets for smaller items. Behind the bag is a large pouch for electronics. It has a zippered pocket for accessories, a tablet pocket, and it fits a laptop up to 17 inches. And there you have it, a durable multi-purpose bag for business and casual use to protect all of your belongings.